Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make image border rounded in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, insert any image and click the shape. Right click on your mouse, use rounded rectangle tool and shift path. Radius example I use 50%. Sorry, 15 pixels. Then select, press Ctrl T, move anywhere. Then click layer mask. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster as layer. And click effects, stroke, and select stroke color. Example I use stroke color black. And see this stroke size. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.